Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Flow step by step. So let's get started. To begin, open your favorite web browser and visit the Google AI Flow website. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account to access the platform. After signing in, start a new project by selecting Create Project or New Flow. Enter a name for your project so you can identify it easily later. You'll now be taken to the Flow editor, where you can build your AI workflow. Click the Add button to insert the tools or components you want to use in your project. Next, enter your prompt or instructions into the input field. You can link multiple blocks together to create more advanced workflows. Depending on your needs, Google AI Flow can help you generate content, summarize information, analyze data, and automate different tasks. Once your workflow is ready, click the Run or Test button to check the output. If the results aren't exactly what you expected, simply update your prompt or make changes to the connected blocks. Then test it again. When you're satisfied with the results, save your project. You can reopen it anytime to continue editing, improve your workflow, or share it with others. Google AI Flow makes it easy to build powerful AI workflows without needing advanced programming skills. Try experimenting with different prompts and features to discover new ways to automate your work and improve productivity. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.